Hey, what's going on?
I'm out taking pictures. It's for my new job.
Hey, I like your camera. Wow, it really looks complicated.
Yeah, I'm still getting used to it.
What does this do?
It's used to take landscape photos.
Yeah, I used to have a camera like this, but what are you shooting around here? The pigeons?
Hey, don't shoot the pigeons.
No. Not with a gun, with the camera.
Actually, we had better move or the pigeon might shoot us.
Huh?
You know what I mean?
Ada beberapa cara untuk memberi ucapan salam kepada orang dalam bahasa Inggris. Beberapa lebih resmi, dan lain lebih alami atau bersahabat. Di dalam dialog ini, lagi-lagi itu pertanyaan, what's going on? Yang mana merupakan ucapan salam yang juga berarti apa yang sedang terjadi atau kamu lagi apa sekarang. In this sentence, going doesn't mean movement. It means more like happening or doing. Hey, what's going on?
I'm out taking pictures.
Wanita satunya mengatakan bahwa dia out taking pictures. Kita seringkali menggunakan kata depan di depan kata kerja untuk membuatnya kedengaran lebih baik. Seandainya ini kegiatan dilakukan di luar rumah, maka kita mengatakan out plus verb. For example, I was out jogging today. I will be out meeting my friend later.
I'm out taking pictures. It's for my new job.
Used to dapat mempunyai 3 arti berbeda. Wanita pertama mengatakan bahwa dia masih membiasakan untuk menggunakan kamera. Ini berarti dia belajar untuk menggunakannya. We can say things like, I'm still getting used to the weather, or I haven't gotten used to the food here yet.
Yeah, I'm still getting used to it.
What does this?
Nanti dia mengatakan bahwa button ini is used to take landscape photos. Yang mana ini digunakan untuk beberapa tujuan. Used to. The fork is used to eat with. Sambal is used to make the food taste better.
It's used to take landscape photos.
Akhirnya, laki-laki itu mengatakan bahwa dia used to have a camera like this. Yang mana ini berarti dia dulu pernah mempunyai kamera sama seperti apa yang dimiliki wanita itu, tetapi sekarang tidak punya. We use used to talk about things that we used to do or we used to have, but now we don't anymore. For example, I used to play tennis, but then I hurt my leg. Yeah, I used to have a camera like this, but what do you had better digunakan untuk mengatakan tentang hal yang sebaiknya lakukan. Ini seringkali digunakan untuk memberi nasihat dan ada arti sama seperti should. She had better not call me after 10 o'clock. I had better finish this soon. He had better pay me back the money that he borrowed.
Actually, we had better move or the pigeon might shoot us.
The word shoot has a few meanings in English. Shoot can mean to fire a gun or to take a picture. Or it can be used in a situation where someone asks you if they can ask a question. And then you respond, yeah, shoot. Go ahead and ask.